What's good, family? I'm gonna show you guys how to properly clean your clippers, man. I want to show you guys how to keep your clippers blades to giving them optimal performance. How to make sure your blades are running smooth and them cuts are getting crisp. So a lot of barbers don't know you got to clean your clippers about at least once a week. I say once a week, but this stuff right here, it's the Andes Blade Care, is like the best solution to clean your clippers with, man. It's messy though. It's very messy. You're gonna get it everywhere. So that's why I do it on like a chair or something. I'll put a towel up under while I'm cleaning, like this microfiber towel. But yeah, this keeps your clippers smelling good, hitting good, and running good. They're gonna be hitting you. They're gonna sound like it's gonna be like a crunchy sound after you run it through this joint. So let me show you. These are my T outliners. You can hear how they sound right here. Watch. I'm gonna pour this solution. This is how I do it. So I pour it in here, just enough so I can get the blade in there. So that's enough right there. And you run it in there. You run it in 10 seconds. You cut it on and run it in 10 seconds. You take it out, dump it right back in. Then you just set that down. You wipe them joints off. It's real messy, man. You gotta wipe it off because it get deep off in there. It gives it a deep cleaning for real. And now you can hear the crispiness, the choppiness. Oh man. Oh man. And then they're gonna be hitting like, man, you're gonna see that line. Time you hit them, you're gonna see that line crispy, man. But you can look at how shiny. Look at how shiny the blades are. Well, they didn't never really focus, but yeah, blades are real shiny, clean, crisp. I run all my clippers through that course right there twice for 10 seconds. And that's all you need, man. Then you can keep it afloat. You spray them, before and after with some Andes School Care or whatever spray you have, a disinfectant spray, and oil it, oil it every other cut. Your clippers gonna stay. Your clippers gonna take care of you. You take care of your clippers, they'll take care of you. So that's what I do to clean clippers, man. That's what you should do if you want your clippers to be hitting like the guys you be seeing on Instagram and everything like that. That's how you can keep them sharp. That's a secret people may not tell you. But that's what I'm here for. I want to give you guys all the secrets to at-home barbering, or even if you're in the shop, but the stuff that you need to know to make your cuts look like you in the barber shop. But that's a secret right there that I use to keep my clippers clean. And I do it like once a week when I can remember. Anyway, subscribe, comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. I appreciate it.